Latino in the City, Season 3. No te lo pierdas.
It doesn't matter if you speak Spanish, English, Japanese, or you're coming from the West Indies. Latin TV's gonna make you lose control. Oh, come on, let me take you on this night trip. In Roots Latino in the City, not gonna let you sit. Yo, JL, Matt Skills in the house. You know we Latin people always bring it down.
Latino in the City, todo el mundo gozando. Que tenemos sabroso, que venimos tocando.
Now, something we haven't really focused on in the past episodes of LITV has been sports. And on the rare occasion that we did a sports story, we got a lot of phone calls and emails from viewers saying that they wanted more. So not only will you get your sports on Latino in the City, you'll get our Cuban intern turned reporter Tatiana as she takes you out to all the ball games around Northeast Florida. Now, don't let her pretty face fool you, because this girl knows her stuff.
From the baseball diamond and soccer fields where Latinos have always been, to the football field and out on the hardwood, Hispanics are taking over the sporting world, well, at least here in Jacksonville. This season, on Latino in the City, my co-host and I will show you around Northeast Florida's sports scene. From the Jacksonville Suns, where many of their players hail from Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Mexico, and Cuba, to the football field, where more and more Latinos are making their names known on college fields and even in the NFL. In fact, did you know that one of our very own Jacksonville Jaguars is Latino? And that over 35% of Major League Baseball players are Hispanic? Oh, and there's more. In the world of NASCAR, Latinos are speed racing their way into the industry. There's even a professional track in Mexico City. That's just some of the things you'll be seeing and learning about this season on Latino in the City. And some of the faces you'll meet are NFL player Richard Angulo, NASCAR pro Juan Pablo Montoya, future Major League hopeful Ivan De Jesus from the Jacksonville Suns, and of course, our own local sporting heroes like the guys from the American Softball League. Y para las mujeres, we'll take a trip around the roller rink with Jacksonville's roller derby team. Watch out, chicos. With names like Chica de Boom and Beso de Muerte, there's some tough ladies with some hard punches. Not to mention some of the punches I took every time I stepped foot on the players' field.